Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST Pick-up. On the exterior, you'll find heated and power door mirrors, remote start, and available four-wheel drive. Inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, push-to-start technology, and automatic temperature control. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display has Apple, CarPlay, Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2020 Chevrolet Silverado has less than 43,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.